guys, welcome to Angie's Table. So today we are going to be starting our Thanksgiving series and we will be making some Brussels sprouts today. I'm in the middle of cutting up some Brussels sprouts in half and we're going to be making two different types of Brussels sprouts. One will be creamy and cheesy and the other one will be sweet and savory, and the sweetness will be drawn from the dates. So let's go and see what ingredients we'll need. Let's start off by preheating the oven to 375. So we're going to start with our creamy Brussels sprouts first, but I wanted to have everything prepped for the date ones. So I am in the middle of cutting up some dates, and I got the ones that weren't pitted, which means like the seeds are still in there. So I am removing that and I'm dicing it into smaller pieces. Cook the bacon for both of the Brussels sprouts right now. So I already drained the oil and I'm saving that because we'll need it for the date Brussels sprouts. I already cut up the bacon into smaller pieces, and let's go ahead and start with the creamy Brussels sprouts. So out the butter. We'll add in all the Brussels sprouts. So now we are going to add some salt and pepper. And there's really no amount because everyone's Parmesan cheese has a different amount of salt and everyone's bacon has a different amount of salt. So just lightly season it and taste as you go. So in the directions I did say olive oil if necessary. I think right now I will add in some olive oil because the Brussels sprouts really did eat up that butter. Add in my garlic and my onions. And now that the Brussels sprouts are crisping up and charring on the edges, I'm gonna pour in my cream. I'll let that cream reduce and then I'll taste it and see if I need to add more salt. But other than that, we are almost ready. And it's almost done reducing. I'm gonna add in my bacon and give it a final toss. Now I'm transferring all of this over to a casserole dish or an oven-safe dish. I'll top it off with Parmesan cheese, and the oven is done preheating, and we'll keep it in there for about 15 minutes. Okay. So now that the creamy, cheesy Brussels sprouts are in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and start with my favorite, dates and bacon. I have the bacon fat I saved earlier, so I'll pour a little bit of that in. I'm gonna place all the Brussels sprouts face down, and I'm not gonna touch it, and I want them to be super, super crispy. So now that this has been cooking untouched for about 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to start flipping it to the other side and do the same thing. I think Brussels sprouts are so cute. I mean, they literally look like a miniature cabbage and they just look really cute. I'll add in some salt and some pepper. Now add some chicken stock. It's been 15 minutes, but I'm gonna let this finish cooking and just keep that in there for a bit. Now that everything is reduced, I'm gonna add in the dates. It's almost like melting. Dates should melt and provide almost like a glaze over all the Brussels sprouts. We'll add in the bacon, then turn off the fire and give it a final stir before you plate it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Brussels sprout video and will make it for Friendsgiving or dinner with your family. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below for any questions, and we'll see you guys on our next side video. Let me get a little bit of everything. Oh, let me try this too. Like sweet and salty.